In this video, I will show you how to create a Windows restore point. This method will work on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. First, go to the search bar and type System Restore. Click on Create a Restore Point. If the protection column says Off, click Configure and select Turn on System Protection. Click Apply, then OK. Now select the drive that you want to create a restore point for. Click Create and name your restore point. You can be specific with your name or add the date like I did. Click Create and give it a few seconds to create the restore point. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments section. Consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more straightforward tutorial videos.